Carl Rogers, whose full name is Carl Ransom Rogers, was an influential American psychologist and one of the founders of humanistic psychology. He was born on January 8, 1902, and died February 4, 1987. Carl Rogers is best known for his work on client-centered therapy, also known as person-centered therapy, which revolutionized the field of psychotherapy. Rogers believed that individuals have the capacity for self-awareness and personal growth, and his therapeutic approach emphasized empathy, unconditional positive regard, and genuineness on the part of the therapist. His work, therefore, revolutionized therapeutic relationships between the patient and the therapist. Rogers believed that individuals have an innate tendency towards self-actualization or reaching their fullest potential, and that this process can be facilitated through a supportive and non-judgmental therapeutic environment. He argued that people are fundamentally trustworthy and capable of finding their own solutions to problems when provided with a supportive and non-judgmental environment. Some of the key concepts associated with Carl Rogers and his approach include: 1. Client-centered therapy. Rogers developed client-centered therapy, also known as person-centered therapy, which emphasizes the therapist's role in creating a supportive and empathetic environment for clients to explore their feelings and experiences. This approach differs from traditional psychoanalytic and behaviorist therapies by placing greater emphasis on the client's subjective experience and their capacity for self-understanding and growth. 2. Unconditional positive regard. Rogers believed that therapists should exhibit unconditional positive regard for their clients, accepting them without judgment or conditions. This attitude creates a safe space for clients to express themselves openly and honestly, facilitating personal growth and self-acceptance. 3. Empathy. Central to Rogers' approach is the therapist's ability to empathize with the client's internal experience, understanding their feelings and perspectives without necessarily agreeing with them. Empathy helps foster trust and rapport between the therapist and client, enabling deeper exploration and insight. 4. Genuineness or congruence. Rogers emphasized the importance of authenticity and genuineness in therapeutic relationships. Therapists are encouraged to be sincere and transparent in their interactions with clients, openly sharing their own feelings and experiences when appropriate. This congruence helps establish trust and authenticity in the therapeutic relationship. 5. Self-actualization. Rogers believed that every individual possesses the innate drive to realize their fullest potential or self-actualization. Through client-centered therapy, individuals can gain greater self-awareness, self-acceptance, and personal growth, ultimately moving towards fulfilling their unique potentials. Rogers had a profound impact on the fields of psychology and psychotherapy. His emphasis on empathy, genuineness, and positive regard influenced many therapeutic approaches beyond client-centered therapy. His work also contributed to the development of humanistic psychology as a distinct school of thought. His ideas extended beyond therapy into the realm of education. He advocated for student-centered approaches that empower learners to take an active role in their education and foster a supportive and nurturing learning environment. His legacy lies in his humanistic approach to psychology and therapy, which prioritizes the individual's subjective experience, autonomy, and capacity for growth and self-actualization. His work continues to influence therapists, educators, and researchers in various fields.